Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a nice dish, Vietnamese style pancakes that you kind of get like it's a bit of a street food classic in many parts of Vietnam, and I'll attempt to pronounce it. Probably will get it wrong as I always say, but it's Banh Xeo, spelled B-A-N-H, one word. X-E-O. I think the X-E-O is Xeo, something like that Anyway, correct me in the comments. We'll get on with cooking it. I'll stick to calling them Vietnamese pancakes. So, I've got to make a batter to start with. I've got 1 cup of rice flour, which we can note that's going to make this dish actually gluten-free. Because there's no oil and dairy free, so there's no dairy products or gluten products. For the milk, we're going to add in 1/2 cup of coconut milk, which I shouldn't need to say is non-dairy. I'm just going to add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, so this will give it a nice little colour and flavour, and that's pretty essential for these dishes. Now I'll just give that a little whisk up, but we will be adding some water as well, because we're going to attempt to get this batter nice and thin, and then when we cook it, we kind of want them to go crispy with that thin batter. So you can see the lovely yellow colour that I'm talking about. We need more water yet. And that's what we're aiming for. A very, very runny batter. And like most sort of batters, they benefit from a little rest, so I'm just going to leave that for about half an hour or an hour. And just sometime in that half an hour, I'll also make my pronunciations again, my Vietnamese dipping sauce anyway, my Ngoc Cham. Alright, for my Ngoc Cham, pretty simple, you've seen me make this before. I've got 2 tablespoons of good quality fish sauce. I've got 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar. I've got 2 tablespoons of lime juice, tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 cup water. I've got 1 bird's eye chilli that I've just roughly chopped, and 1 clove of garlic that I've grated. And we'll just mix that up, dissolve that sugar. And then you do need to taste it, because not all fish sauces are the same, not even all limes are the same. Just if necessary. That's a little bit salty, not quite sweet enough. So I'm just going to add just a tad more sugar, maybe a teaspoon. Yeah, that's great. Alrighty guys, so I've just got my small fry pan here with a bit of oil in it, and I've waited till that's got sizzling hot. Now I'm not sure, the XEO in the Vietnamese name, Xeo, however you pronounce it correctly, I think that means either singing or sizzling. So the idea is to get this batter sizzling, I guess. So to that end, we've got that sizzling hot. I've just got here about 3/4 of a cup of my batter, and we're just going to carefully toss that in. And just sort of swirl it around a bit, like so. You can put pretty well whatever you like into these. Prawns is popular, pork. I've actually just got some leftover chicken, so I'm recycling that. And I'm just going to cover up half my pancake there with some of that chicken. I've also got a few spring onions or scallions. Sprinkle them on. You can use whatever herbs you like. I've got some basil, maybe not that much. Yeah, you can use mint, Vietnamese mint. I've got a bit of coriander, the dreaded coriander. Bit controversial. I love the stuff. And we'll just let that continue to sizzle away. And I'm just going to turn it around in case there's a bit of a hot spot. Alrighty, I think that's pretty well done. I'm just going to drag her over into the middle a bit and fold that over in half, like so. I'll get that onto a plate and I'll just keep that somewhere warm while I cook a couple more of these. Alrighty guys, so as you can see I've served up my Banh Xeo now. Sorry, I said I was going to say that. My Vietnamese crispy pancakes. They're all ready to go, looking good. Now in Vietnam they would normally serve these, depending where you are, but usually with like lettuce leaves. And what they actually do is they break apart. Because it's crispy, it just snaps apart like so. And you get one of your lettuce leaves, put your bit of pancake in there, stuffed with your herbs and everything. You might even have some more herbs sitting around, put some more fresh herbs on if you want, whatever's going. And then I'll get a little bit of my Nok Cham sauce. I'll drizzle it in there. Get some of those chilies. And as much or as little as you want. Like so. And that is looking the goods. Let's give it a taste. Definitely nice and crispy, just how you want it. You can tell if the batter was the right thickness just because you sort of get like a, where the bubbles will come through, and then some of the batter's poured into where the bubbles are poked through. You get almost, looks like a bit of a lattice work, and that's exactly what you want. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. And I'm just asking, if you haven't subscribed yet, can you hit that subscribe button for me? That'd be awesome. And also that little bell notification icon. That'll let you know when I upload videos. I'm not on a fixed schedule. I do shift work, so I try and get out 2 videos a week. But if you hit that icon, you'll be notified when they're uploaded. Alrighty, I will see you all next time.